Solve by factoring completely. We need to go ahead and get our equation set equal to 0. This time, instead of subtracting 16, I'm going to choose to add the 12x squared and the 38x because when I factor, I like to have my a as a positive value. So I'm going to add 12x squared and add 38x to both sides of my equation. So now I have 0 equals 12x squared plus 38x plus 16. I need to factor completely, so I'm looking for the GCF of 12x squared, 38x, and 16. The GCF is 2, so I'll do 2 times 6x squared plus 19x plus 8 is equal to 0. Since my a value is 6 in this trinomial and my c value is 8, and 6 has the options of 1 and 6 or 2 and 3, and 8 has their options of 1 and 8 and 2 and 4, I think I'll choose to factor this one by grouping. So I'm going to do a times c, which is 6 times 8 for the trinomial I'm trying to factor, which is 48. So if I'm thinking about factors of 48, that's 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8. I need factors that'll add to get to 19, so I'll use 3 and 16, and they'll both be positive. So I'll rewrite this as 0 equals 2 times 6x squared plus 3x plus 16x plus 8. So we still need to make groups. So I'll do the group with 6x squared and 3x, and then I can do a group of 16x plus 8. So when I have this, the yellow group will have a GCF of 3x, and that'll leave 2x plus 1. My gray group, 16x plus 8, will have a GCF of plus 8, and that'll leave 2x plus 1. So now we still have this 0 equals 2 times the factor that was repeated, or the common factor, was 2x plus 1, and the GCF group is 3x plus 8. So now we have this completely factored, and we are clear to apply the zero product property. So I'm going to do 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. So I would subtract 1 and divide by 2, so that's negative 1/2. Here I would subtract 8 and divide by 3, so negative 8/3. So I have two real rational solutions. I get negative 1/2 and negative 8/3.